Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oat yogurt. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, ensuring they are not instant, as these won't yield the desired texture. Next, measure out 4 cups of filtered water. For the fermentation, prepare 2 probiotic capsules, opened, or 1 tablespoon of a high-quality, plain vegan yogurt starter. Finally, if you prefer a sweeter taste, have some maple syrup or agave nectar ready. Now, let's get blending. Pour your 1 cup of rolled oats and 4 cups of filtered water into a high-speed blender. Blend this mixture for approximately 1 minute or until it achieves a smooth, creamy consistency. The next crucial step is straining. Place a nut milk bag over a large bowl and pour the blended oat mixture into it. Squeeze firmly to extract all the liquid, leaving behind the oat pulp. This liquid is your oat milk base. With your oat milk ready, it's time for fermentation. Gently warm the oat milk on the stovetop until it reaches body temperature, around 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not boil it. Once warm, stir in the contents of your 2 probiotic capsules or the 1 tablespoon of starter yogurt until fully combined. Pour this mixture into a clean glass jar, cover it loosely, and let it ferment at room temperature for 8 to 12 hours. After fermentation, your oat yogurt is almost ready. Transfer the jar to the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours. This chilling period is essential, as it allows the yogurt to thicken significantly and develop its characteristic creamy texture. Before serving, you can stir in your optional sweetener, like maple syrup, or add fresh fruit for extra flavor. Store your homemade oat yogurt in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.